Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the EasyAcc 20000mAh power bank. Wow, this is so much power. For a input, 4.8 ampere smart output. It's an external battery charger, portable charger for Android phones, Samsung phones, Edge phones, like S6, HTC smartphones, iPhones, Apple devices, all Apple devices, Nintendo Switch, for example. All portable devices which supports USB slots or the USB, the smaller ones, micro USB ports, all this kind of devices. You're going to get power inside by using this so strong power bank. This power bank looks nice. Black and orange design, nice feeling, nice surface. It makes a high quality look, really high quality. It is a medium heavy product. It's not light. It is a little bit heavy, but there is big power inside. For this, it has to be a little bit more. A little bit more weight in this. This is a natural thing, isn't it? High capacity. This banks charge the iPhone 7 6 times faster than a smaller power bank. The Galaxy is 7 times faster. Ideal for weekend aways and long journeys, for traveling, or if you like to have an outdoor activity. It has 4 iSmart outputs. It's charging 4 devices at the same time and automatically detects your devices and delivers the fastest possible up to 2.4 ampere per port or 4.8 ampere overall. These are the settings, but it's smart, so it thinks what is docked, and then it chooses the right power delivery. And it only has 4 output ports. This is a lot, but it is a fast recharging by itself. Unique dual USB 4 ampere input halves the charge time. It halves. It is not so long. It takes only 6 hours to full charge when it is empty, really. How you can see it? There are 4 LEDs on top of the device, and one LED is a quarter of charging. And if all 4 LEDs are full, the device is full, of course. And it comes with a bright flashlight. This is a nice outdoor gimmick. The power bank with built-in LED flashlight for dark or low light environments. This is a nice extra on this device. And it is multi-protects. It has safety systems. It ensures completely protection for you and your device. This is a smart interface inside. It has a smart computer system inside, and it is compatible device with iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, Nintendo Switch, Kindle, Android mobile phones, tablets, and of course your GoPro, outdoor cameras, and so many other different types of devices. And as you can see, I docked a GoPro, I docked a Nintendo Switch console, I docked an Apple iPhone device, and as you can see, all these devices at the same time on one power bank, and all of them are getting power. This is awesome. This is really, really nice. And I like this power bank, and I will have it by my or at my outdoor activities for making some movies. I think I will use it for my GoPro power supply, of course, because 20,000 milliampere hours. This is a lot, and it is nice to have power outside. Really nice, really nice. I think it is really nice. So that it is. Nice power bank, easy to use, easy to load, easy to get some power, and a good feeling about this product, a good shape, a good surface, and of course it looks nice by using black and orange. This is nice, good and easy. And of course you can get this power bank in black and gray too, I think, or black and red. These are the three colors. Which colors are available? Black orange, black gray, and black red. I like black orange. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon. Good. I forgot something to tell. How do you see Flashlight? Only press 2 times on the power button. The power button will indicate the power, and by pressing 1 time and 2 times it indicates the light. Nice gimmick. And last but not least, here you can see how the power bank gets power out of your energy supply. Easy going. If it's not flashing and all LEDs are full, job's done. Okay, easy going. You can use all 2 ports. Soon.